Hi friends, I'm Lakshya. Welcome to my channel, Fun Time.
Hello everyone, I'm Lakshya. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute charm bracelets. So let's see how to make them. We need glue gun, cutting plier, scissors, colorful beads, pearls, jump rings, and earring hooks, and the last thing is plastic wire. So let's see how to make it. First, from the earring hooks, we'll make eye pins like this. So first we'll take the earring hook and the cutting plier and cut the edge of the earring hook. The cutting it looks like this. Now we'll use the glue gun. Now I've taken the glue in the eye pin and insert the eye pin into the colorful beads. Take a little glue in your paper, otherwise your hands will be burnt. The charms are ready. Now let's add the jump rings to each of the charms. Like this. Let's start making bracelet now. Now I've cut a piece of plastic wire and I'm going to bead the thread. Now the process of adding beads and charms is done. Now I'll measure. Now it's time to add jump ring and earring hook. Hold one end of the string tightly. One end hold the bracelet thread tightly and tie the earring hook or jump ring and put a knot. Now one end is ready. Now add the jump ring to the other end. Tight it and tie the knot. Now it's ready. Cut the extra thread. And leave a little bit space so that if ever the knot gets open, you can tie it again. Now the bracelet is ready. Now I've worn the bracelet. Isn't it pretty? Aren't they beautiful? I used 6 colorful beads and 24 white pearls, and you can take according to your hand size. That's it for today's video. You can also make the bracelets and have fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.